Hi, good morning. All right, so we're going to start our first day of drafting our fable. All right. You guys spent so much time really figuring out the different pieces that we're going to make up your plot mountain. So, we're going to take that all together and we're going to start to do our fable. So, the first step is that we need to review your fable organizer on Google Classroom. It's going to be under the topic with your name. All right. So, you're going to find that and you're going to find your organizer. I put the organizer together based on all the choices that you made for writing. So let me show you what my organizer looks like. So here I know that my moral is work comes first and then play. My setting is the morning in the desert. I know that my characters are the dog and the snake, and I said that the dog was loyal, hardworking, and focused. And I said that the snake was deceitful, plays tricks on others, and not hardworking. I also had to decide what my problem and solution were going to be. So my problem was that dog knows that at nighttime it's getting super cold and he spends the day looking for shelter. His friend Snake spends the day slithering around playing tricks on dog. Dog gets mad and leaves Snake. The resolution or the solution to that problem will be that dog finds shelter, but Snake spends the night outside in the cold. All right, and then here I have beginning. Beginning of the fable introduces the characters and the setting. The middle will be the rising action and to introduce that problem. When we think of like a plot mountain, we're going up. And then the ending would be like the solution to the problem and the characters learning a lesson, that ending part of that plot mountain. Let me go back to my to-do list. I'm going to watch this mini lesson that we're doing right now. And then step 3 will to begin to draft the beginning of your story on the doc found in Google Classroom. So you guys have and you notice how I did real quick, beginning as green. I highlighted, this is the beginning. This is the only part that you're working on today. Okay. It is going to be a fill in the blank. All right. So I'm going to model what it looks like using my information and using my organizer. You're going to do the same thing yourselves as well. So one day, a blank, and here I have hero. So who's the hero in my story? Let me go back. The hero in my story is dog. So I'm just going to highlight the whole part that I'm going to type in, and I'm just going to write dog. One day, a dog and who's my villain? Let me go back to my organizer and look at my villain. Ooh, my villain is the snake. So I'm going to again highlight where where the villain part is, and I'm going to write snake. Okay, and then that goes away. And it says, one day a villain and a snake were at the blank. Where is my place? Where was my setting? Let me go back. Ooh, they were at a desert. All right, so let me go back and fill that. We're at the desert. Okay. We're at the desert. And then here it says hero. I'm going to highlight this again. So the hero again is dog. Can be described as, and here I want to put 2 of the character traits that I want to use to describe dog. So I'm going to highlight this again. And I'm going to go back to my organizer. I said the dog was loyal, hardworking, and focused. So I'm going to say hardworking and focused. Described as hardworking and focused. Now here it says villain. So I'm going to put in snake. Can be described as, and here I'm going to put 1 to 2 character traits again. So I have deceitful, plays tricks on others, and not hardworking. So I'm going to put not hardworking. That isn't hardworking, and he loves to play tricks on others. As not hardworking and loves to play tricks on others. All right, so now I'm going to reread what I have written from my beginning. Remember, beginning is introducing the characters and the setting. So one day, a dog and a snake were at the desert. The dog can be described as hardworking and focused. The snake can be described as not hardworking and loves to play tricks on others. So now what I'm going to do, since I'm only doing the beginning, I am not doing the rest of this story yet today. Not happening. All right. I'm going to go back onto Google Classroom and I'm going to turn this in. I, Mrs. Pagos, am going to look at your beginning, right? Make sure that you have your characters and you talk about the character trait. And then next time when we meet, I'm gonna have you reread this, and then we're gonna meet and we're gonna do some revising and editing of the beginning before we move on to the middle. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Have so much fun. Bye.